The Torah Hebrew Academy was founded in 2005 by Rabbi Hekmatjah as a religious and philosophical inspiration of the school to impart children the spirit of awe, thanksgiving, and wonders. For many, Hebrew is an integral part of the Jewish identity, and as Torah, we offer optional full-school Hebrew learning classes, preparation for bar or bat mitzvah, field trips, and provide kids with the basic building blocks on which they can grow their knowledge of the language. Visit us at thelight.org and call us today for your next reservation.